If you've ever installed a wood gate, you're familiar with the constant need to fix the inevitable sagging, dragging, and sticking. Now you can stop spending valuable time on callbacks to continually readjust wood gates. Start spending your time on installs. Our newly redesigned Easy Brace comes pre-assembled from the factory, ready to install. The Easy Brace has two attached pieces of angle that swivel to allow you to mount it either to the right side or to the left side, depending on where your hinges are, and can be applied to virtually any wood gate application up to 8 feet tall. Now any gate can work the way it should with no drag and no sag, and installation is a snap. Easy Brace requires only a few basic tools for a quality, dependable installation. A drill and socket, the Easy Brace hardware, a hammer, a piece of wood, and a shovel. The install couldn't be easier. Start by removing any existing bracing that may hinder a new proper adjustment by the Easy Brace system. Place the Easy Brace so that the bottom foot rests on the bottom cross member on the hinge side, about an inch from the edge of the gate, and the top foot attaches to the underneath side of the top cross member, and an inch from the edge of the gate. Be sure and orient the entire brace with a smaller tension arm at the bottom. Place the top foot onto the top brace much the same way as the bottom brace, just in reverse. Drive the 4 supplied wood screws into the holes of the top foot, securing it to the underneath side of the top cross member. Now secure the bottom foot to the top side of the cross member, just as you did with the top foot. With a block of wood as a fulcrum, use a shovel to raise the gate about an inch past the desired gate height. Holding that position, using a drill and driver, install the self-tapping screws into the cross brace to secure the position. Now simply install the provided collar to the center brace using a wood screw. You're done! No more drag, no more sag. Now let's take a look at how you can install Easy Brace onto a new gate with almost any terrain. Simply rack the gate panel to any degree that will fit the contour of the ground where the gate will be installed. Proper rack adjustment is important, so re-inspect the adjustment before you assemble the brace. Install the brace the same as you would with an old gate, installing the wood screws on the top foot and the wood screws onto the bottom foot, maintaining a 1-inch distance from the edge of the gate. Now install the self-tapping metal screws into the cross brace. Then the collar onto the gate itself. Now you have a gate that will hold any adjustment. Using the Easy Brace system to create a gate using a standard fence panel is easy. Simply start by installing standard gate hinges on the outside fence where the hinge post will be located. Then remove the latch side picket next to the post. Now install the Easy Brace system using the same procedure as you would with an old or new gate. Simply drive the wood screws into the top foot, then drive the wood screws into the bottom foot. Then drive the self-tapping metal screw into the tension arm. And install the C-clamp onto the center brace of the gate. Now using a handsaw or a sawzall, cut the cross members at the top, the middle, and the bottom. Now you have a new gate made with the Easy Brace system. Remember, not only is the Easy Brace system easy to install, you can use the system on gates up to 8 foot wide and 8 foot tall. For gates wider than 8 foot, you can install 2 systems side by side. The Easy Brace hardware is constructed of quality powder-coated materials for years of severe weather use. Best of all, the Easy Brace system is so reliable, constant callbacks to readjust sagging gates is a thing of the past. If a gate supplied with the Easy Brace system does ever need adjustment later on due to natural wood warpage, just remove the 2 self-tapping metal screws, adjust the gate up, and reinstall the screws. It's that simple. Never wrestle with your gate again.